Hey, Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures. Here with you, talking about my secondary car, my Ford Focus, 2000 Ford Focus. Love it. Anyway, in an inconvenient area, the starter went. So I had to get a shop to replace it. They replaced it, and I picked it up after hours, and it shifted hard, really hard. And then I noticed there was no overdrive. Well, this whole harness here was pulled real tight, and it leads up to the mass airflow sensor right here. Now I picked up a new mass airflow sensor harness and some wire, because if you look on this one, see the second wire right there? There's one and then the one missing. That's the green wire. I'll show you, see it? Well, that was torn out because the harness was so tight. So I picked up a harness, the mass airflow sensor at the scrapyard. I soldered in, used heat shrink tube to seal it all up, make sure there's no moisture getting in there. Now I'm going to wrap it up, of course, but I took it out in the road. I got my overdrive back and it wasn't shifting hard. So if you're running into a problem with hard shifts and loss of overdrive in an early Ford Focus, you might want to check out the connections at that. Like I say, it was the second wire in. As you see, that wire is missing. It was torn right out. Also, if your mass airflow sensor is bad, you might want to check that out too. It shocked the heck out of me because I thought, uh-oh, transmission problems, but it wasn't. Hope that helps you save a couple bucks.